Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another video. My name is JJ, and in today's video, I'm talking about something I have not talked about yet on this channel, and that is trading options on Robinhood. Now, I want to make a full disclaimer here to all of the viewers that are watching this video, and that is I am a 100% beginner when it comes to trading options. I'm making this video to document my journey of trading options, buying calls, buying puts, etc. But I just want to make the disclaimer be known that I am a beginner when it comes to trading options. So if you are new as well or have recently started trading options using the Robinhood app, then feel free to join along for the ride. I'm actually going to be buying some put options at the end of this video, so make sure you guys stick around for that and see what exactly I'm buying put options in and why. So, trading options. We are going to be very basic in today's video with explaining options, calls, puts, etc. because I am wanting to tailor this video to what a beginner should be looking for when they're watching a video on trading options on Robinhood. So, what even is an option? An option is a contract giving the buyer the right but not the obligation to buy in case of a call or sell in case of a put the underlying asset at a specific price on or before a certain date. So, one reason why someone may trade options is to hedge against a declining stock market to minimize losses. Some people like to trade options for reoccurring income, and also there are a lot of people, which is probably the most common way, and the way that I am trading options in today's video, is when they are speculating on a certain stock when they think it is either going to rise or decline in value. So I'm actually going to open up the Robinhood app here on my phone to take a look at just exactly how to trade options using the Robinhood app and exactly what everything means from one beginner to the other. Okay, so here we are in Robinhood, and first, if you guys are new here and you haven't seen any of my previous videos, I actually make videos going over my full account in Robinhood, exactly why I'm buying and selling stocks when I am, and the reasoning I go and kind of how I research whenever I go to buy stock in my Robinhood portfolio. Today we are going to be looking at how to trade options, and I'm actually going to be buying puts in American Airlines. Now, I'm going to be buying put options for a couple reasons. The first reason is this is actually what is today? May 3rd. It's a Saturday. And news just came out that Warren Buffett has officially sold all of his airline stocks. Now, when Warren Buffett comes out, and as history has told us in the past, when he says he is selling a portion or all of a certain stock, generally speaking, that stock has declined after that news is broke. So, my thought process on this is the airline stocks in general are going to be going down because of what Warren Buffett mentioned in his annual meeting with Berkshire Hathaway. Another reason I am buying put options in American Airlines is because of what's all going on right now. Let's be honest. No one is traveling right now. No one's going to be traveling in the very near future. So this is going to put another hurt or more hurt on American Airlines, which kind of leads me into the next reason why I'm buying put options is because out of all the U.S. airlines, American Airlines is probably they're not probably, they are the worst setup versus a long-term debt or debt to equity ratio. Just how much they have on their balance sheets of long-term debt and total liabilities. Okay, so if you guys want to trade options on Robinhood, and like I said, we're trading on American Airlines, you simply click this trade button right here and then go to trade options. Now, something cool about the Robinhood app that they do that I'm not going to spend too much time talking about is they have this little thing up here called Discover, and it kind of explains to you if you're thinking the stock price is going up or going down, what you should probably focus on buying in on as terms of what kind of options you're buying, put or calls. Now, what is the difference between a call option and a put option? A call option is simply if you're buying a call option, you think the price of that stock is going to go up. If you're buying a put option like I am in today's video, you think that stock price is going to go down. So like I mentioned, you can buy calls or puts, and in today's video, I'm buying a put option for American Airlines. So this is what you're going to see when this pulls up on Robinhood, and you'll see this, $11.50 put, 11 put, 10.50 put, $10 put, etc. So what exactly is a put? A put is a contract between a buyer and a seller. So I'm going to be buying these put options from someone out there. So like I was just saying, it's 11.50 put, the $11 put, 10.50 put. That is what's called the strike price. Now, since I don't own any shares of American Airlines in my portfolio with Robinhood as of right now, I'm going to be doing what is called selling short. So I'm selling short, or I'm buying put options because I think that price is going to decline in American Airlines. I think that share price is going to go down in the short term. So like I was mentioning, the strike price, for this example, I'm going to be looking at this $12 put here. So this $12 strike price is what we're going to be looking at for today's example, and it's actually going to be what I'm purchasing, the actual put option I'm purchasing today. So when I'm buying these put options for American Airlines, that strike price that I just mentioned, that's not the price you're paying. You're not paying that to buy this put option. The price you're paying is actually called the premium, and that is what this $1.67 over here is. Now, what that means is if we click on this over here, if I go buy this put option at the $12 put, then I am choosing to buy the contract or buy the put option worth 100 shares, and that's actually at the premium of $1.67. So if I buy one contract of the American Airline put option, that means I have to have a total max cost of $167. So when you go, if you go back and look at this, when you look at these premiums, $1.67, $1.27, 91 cents, when you buy those options, you're not buying it for $1.27. That's the premium cost. So when you're saying you're buying it at premium cost, multiply it by 100 or however many contracts you're going to be buying, because every contract is worth 100 shares. So how exactly are you making money when you're trading options, or how am I making the money when I buy these puts? So when I buy this $12 put, and I am assuming that the share price in American Airlines is going to go down, and I'm actually going to be making the money by selling this put option or this contract back. So looking at the share price, right now American Airlines is sitting at $10.76 currently. That's what their share price is currently at. Now when I buy that $12 put and I'm in the money, I am actually thinking that if the share price goes lower, then my premium will be higher, and then I can sell that option back. I can sell that put option back with a higher premium, which in regards I will make more money. Now they have this thing down here that says to break even. So if I buy my one contract for the $167 to break even and make my money back, I need the share price of American Airlines to drop down to $10.33. So they need to decline in price by 4%. Now, this is where you got to ask yourself, do you think that the price will drop below $10.33? And I do. Now, why are these prices higher as you go up here, as you buy higher puts, higher strike prices? That's because you have to pay more for the premium, because there's more profit that could be built in there if that share price would drop down below $10, below $9, below $8, etc. Because as that share price goes down lower, these premiums go higher. So, for example, let's say I buy this $12 put and the share price drops to $9. Well, that premium of $1.67 is not going to be $1.67 anymore. I mean, I'm pulling this out of my ass right now, but it could be $4. So then I would be able to sell that premium or sell that put option back for $4 premium price, which would be a $400. So if you do 400 minus 167, that's minus 167. I'd make a profit of $233. So as you can see, you know, if you're starting to buy multiple contracts and you have 200, 300, 2,000, 3,000 shares you're messing with here or you're working with, then that could add up to start to be a lot of profit, and this is why a lot of people trade options. Now again, like I mentioned in this video, I am a complete beginner. I'm starting this out. I'm taking you guys on this journey. But let's go ahead and let's buy this $12 put option here. And now I understand the market is closed. It's a Saturday when I'm filming this video, but I'm doing this for the video. But I will let you know that I am buying this $12 put option for American Airlines. So we're going to click review. So as you can see, I have my one contract for the 100 shares. My limit price is that premium, like we mentioned, the $1.67. Now my max cost is at $167 because it's those 100 shares. It's that $1.67 price times 100. So I'm going to swipe up to submit that and order received, and then bam, I have my put option caught, or put option is completed, purchased at the $12 put. So I am officially trading options now. Here we go. I'm big time now, people. So guys, that's really it. That's kind of the basics of trading options. And in my example, I was buying put options because I thought American Airlines was going to decline in price. Now, I will be doing updates on this channel in the very near future, showing you the outcome of my purchase, how I did I lose money, did I gain money? And I'll also be updating if I plan on buying more options in the future, why I'm doing so, and what companies I am buying put or call options in. So guys, that is it for the video here. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new here and enjoyed the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. As always, also hit that like button for me. That really helps me out. And until the next video, you guys take care.